Delta Gamma's philanthropy is Service for Sight, which deals with blind and visually impaired individuals. Specifically, we work with Club Vibes, which is an organization right here in the Knoxville area.
Anchor Splash is Delta Gamma's week-long philanthropy event to help raise money and awareness for Service for Sight and Club Vibes.
Wednesday, we have Soka DG, so a bunch of DGs and matching tank tops go around campus just in their typical class schedule. Different fraternity members that are participating can come and soak us with water bottle, or we've even had water guns, and then they get tickets to go towards their team, and later in the week they'll tally up a winner. The later part of Wednesday, we have a volleyball tournament, and that's super fun because all of the different fraternities get to compete against each other. Next is our Anchorman pageant, which is on Thursday. And that's a super fun time where we get to just judge all of the fraternity members that are participating in this pageant. They do a bunch of different talents and answer questions. And then on Friday, we have our Anchor Games, which are different relay games held at the T-Rex pool. And this is a time where it gets really, really competitive. It's super fun to see every member come out, not only to support Club Vibes and the mission, but also to say like, hey, I'm really supporting what you're trying to do here in your philanthropy, and I appreciate that you're coming out here, and I think it's just a super awesome week.